Trees over there now.
Yep.
We wouldn't be able to get to it. But that was a good thing calling in like that, dude.
Oh yeah, that
Thing was huge.
yeah, it looks like that there might be another one forming right there.
Yeah.
And there is. Here, stay kind of close to the truck, Dwayne, in case it decides to come over this way. Look at it go.
50, Gaylord 43.
Look at it. Look at it form.
Yeah.
Go
Look
ahead.
at that. So wild.
I tied with Dan and Mark on this side, so it's all tied together. Very good. Station 16 here, bud.
Go ahead, Air 5.
I'll be switching to Gaylord. Air 5, Gaylord 50.
That's clear.
Gaylord 50, Air 5. Track 1. Is that you, Bubba? Affirmative. How high are you? Higher than me. I'm at 45. I'd guess you're up around 6,000. Maybe a little better. At this rate, you're going to get home on time. We got one more. Yeah, it's looking like it's burning really good. Just came from over Atlanta. They have a little more cloud cover there, and it seemed to have slowed them down a little bit. But you're still getting good sun here. Yeah, we had a little bit of haze early on, but it really didn't affect us at all. Is that smoke headed right at Gaylord? Yeah, when I get around to here, I'll look. It looks like it is. You have definitely a true southeast wind this morning, this afternoon, so straight to the northwest. Okay. 550 was saying that yeah, I wouldn't doubt it. It's straight line. It may be just on that north edge of Gaylord, but yeah, I'm sure they'll get some.